Welcome back. In this video we'll be talking about how you can use the wall of love feature. Let's get right into it. So the first thing is I'll try as much as possible to explain everything you see on the wall of love. So on the wall of love you have a body section which you can entirely customize for it to have any text you want. Now the question is, where does this text appear? So you have these two navigation bar, you have the settings bar and you have the preview bar. Now you can easily preview whatever you are saving over here. So ideally, if you scroll down, you will see where you can view the live version of your wall of love, which is like the unique link that was provided. So the whole idea is you're trying as much as possible to customize this page directly from here, where you alter the settings here, you get to preview it here, and then here you get to see what the live changes look like. So let's start with this picture. So this picture basically is a representation of your logo. So I'll upload a logo now, and yeah, now if I try to save this and just give it a moment, let's say I save it. Let's even check what it looks like over here. Now it looks like this. So I think now you get like the basic idea of coming here, changing the settings, and then previewing it on the live page, or you can easily also preview it here. So all the testimonials that tend to appear in this place are testimonials that you've imported, are all these testimonials that you've earlier on imported. So if I go back to my wall of love now, let's do more customization. So let's say Custimony uses AI. Let's make this bold and let's underline this. So let's make this italic. You can as well decide to do a lot of things. So let's take, for instance, I want to use emoji, so I can use guaranteed, or let's say new sales. Just, you can be as creative as you want to. And then even when I save this, I can come here and always like preview what I've done. So this is exactly what I've done. Let me make this, let me also make it bold. And the most amazing part is you can as well add image. So let me add an image there. Let me just quickly look through an image I can add. Let me see, trying to get an image that would work fine. Right, let's add this. So yeah, now if I save this and I come here to preview, I see the sample. Let's change this to new instant sales. Let me add the lightning emoji again. Yes, and I save this. So now I can easily preview from here and see how it will look like. Now even if I come to my live link and I refresh, automatically everything is updated. Okay, sorry, give me a moment. Think something isn't, yeah. So automatically everything is updated. So you can as well customize as in whatever way you want. You could change the size of the font, you could do the whole quote thing, you can do the list, the number lists, whatever you want to do basically. You can also include links. So let's say I want to say I want to add link to the website itself, www.custimony.ai. Oh, sorry. So I think I need to, let's say, click here to visit website, to visit the website. I can also just select it, include the link, and then okay, I think I need to put the full URL. So yeah, I can as well just link it that way and even make it a click, so that when I save and yeah, so you have like, oh sorry, give me a minute. So ideally this should link back to your website, to the link that was added. So let me just link it again and see. Let's save and check. So yeah, you have a clickable link that works however you want it to work. So you can basically design this however you want to design this. Now you'll notice that at different points in time you have like this question mark. This question mark is like a guide that can always tell you what each feature or each thing you come across, what they mean. So if you click on it, so this is the content that will appear on your dedicated landing page. You can always shoot an email to adams@customony.ai if at any point in time you don't understand anything. When you want to select, so okay, yeah, so before I get to this point, I think I've covered everything over here. Now let's go to the next part. Now currently we have about 7 templates. These templates are basically a representation of like how your testimonials appear on this. So right now we're using template 1, and template 1 displays your testimonial this way. So you have a testimonial from Instagram, which is a video that can be played. This was one I imported from Instagram. You have a testimonial from App Store. This is something I imported from App Store. You have a testimonial that I imported customly. You also have a testimonial from Google Business. You have a testimonial from Play Store. So basically all these things are displayed using template 1. And then if you come here and then decide that you want to use a different template, so even before I select a template, you can decide to like disable testimonies entirely, so that when you have somebody visiting your page, they don't see any testimonial. So you see that there is no testimonial. But then when you decide to enable it, you can enable how many testimonials you want to display. Let's say I want to display 6 and I want to use template 2. Let's try out template 2 and see how it looks like. You can either preview it here to see how it looks like basically, or you can it's either you preview it from here or you just use the live link. I like using the live link so I see what exactly my customers are saying. So you see that this template is different from the initial template that was used, and it looks a bit more. Basically, each of the templates have been designed carefully so that you get very good and attractive designs. So at this point, your customers can visit this page. This page can be shared on your social media and do anywhere at all. So your customers can visit this page and click on the like button. So this is this like button reflects on your dashboard. Let me quickly show you that. It reflects on your dashboard where you see the number of people that have liked your what do you call it, your testimonials, and then you also see the time they spend on the page. So so you see that in real time, the more I like, they automatically get you get the count automatically on your dashboard. So let's go back to the world of love and let's try to do something else. So let's say I select template 3. Let's see how template 3 looks. Yeah, this is template 3. This is also very beautiful. You can decide to use this. Let's increase the number of testimonials we want to display. 10. You come here, you can have more testimonials. I think my favorite would be templates. Let's check everything one after the other. Currently we only have 7 templates and we are increasing our library rapidly. So this template 3 or 4, I guess, which is also very beautiful. Template 5. I want to see if we can get my favorites. Yeah, this template 5. Let's look at another one again. Template 6, which I think is my favorite. If I refresh this page, yeah, so you have something like this that keeps sliding and then shows what your customers are saying. People can read it, people can see what they are saying and all of that, which is very, very beautiful. I mean, now let's go deep into customization. Now you can decide to enable submission if you want your customers to be able to upload their own testimonials directly from this page. So to do that, all you just need to do is to click on this button. You can customize the text on the button, you can customize the primary color, the secondary color, all of that. So let's start with customizing the text on the button. Let's change it to tell us about your experience. Let's save this. Let's see how it looks like. Now you have a button. Now through this button, your customers can easily like submit their own testimonials, whether text or video, or directly from your wall of love. So we call this page the wall of love. Basically, it's something you can. It's a unique page that you can totally customize to showcase things to your customers, what people are saying, even send it to them for them to like upload or submit testimonials. So when they want to submit testimonials, they just have to fill this short form, and even if it's video, they also just have to fill this short form. So let's look at other customization. I can decide to change the color. So let me just use my color picker to change the color of the button. Let's see what it looks like now. Yeah, the color of the button is now yellow. I can change the color of the text. I want to make that black. Let's see. Yeah, so immediately you get like the exact effects you want, how you want it, and everything on your website takes that particular form. So let's go to other customization. Now take for instance, you want to give automated response to your users when they submit a testimonial. So you enable if you want your customers to get customized response after they submit a testimony. So yeah, you will say if your response is A, thanks for submitting, thanks for dropping, let's say dropping a review, thanks for dropping a review, you are awesome. So you can save this, and then at any point in time when you have any customer that comes here to submit a testimonial, they automatically get the content as email. What you've set, basically they automatically get it as an email directly to their inbox. So everything is automated, everything happens very fast. Now you can also as well decide to like reward people that are submitting testimonials. So let's say after let's say when you send this automated response, you also want to send a reward email of, hey, use this coupon code to get 20% discount. Then you can just add the coupon. The coupon can be 20 off. So yeah, you can do all of that directly for me, and then when you save it, we handle sending both the reward message and even the automated response all directly. We do everything for you directly for me. I guess your user can still play videos and do a lot of things. So you have everything directly in your dashboard embedded for you to use whenever you want it, however you want it. So yeah, so this is the initial version of the Wall of Love that we'll be launching with. As time goes on, we'll continue to add other amazing features. And yeah, with this, you can effectively like do a lot and showcase what your customers are saying to other new customers. I mean, thank you.